Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Oh, it's been a long time.
Why do you always sound so weird on a video? You know what I mean?
I don't sound weird.
You don't?
No. All right, let's go.
You don't, but my voice does.
Okay, let's talk to the people.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Car Coffee Chat. This is Brian and Michelle, and we normally have coffee to go along with our Car Coffee Chat, but today we don't have any coffee because we already drank it, and then we remembered we had to make the video.
Yeah, it's been a while.
We're going to have a soda today.
In a Starbucks cup. Okay.
One of the Dublin sodas.
Yeah, vanilla cream.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready?
Go ahead, pour it. All right, so we are going to catch you guys up on what's been going on. This is May. I don't know. I think I did a Car Coffee Chat for April. I know we're behind at least one. That's good. I don't want it all the way full. And so we're just going to kind of catch you guys up with what's been going on with us and what we're still doing, what we're not doing, what's happened, all that. At the end of last month's Car Coffee Chat, and I'm going to put a link right above his head to the last one. To the last one. And here comes some people. They're probably going to stare at us while we do this.
Yeah, they're going to be on the other side, but that's all right. We'll just go.
But so at the end of the last video, we got a phone call from the vet that we could go in for an appointment because my mom's dog actually then passed away that day. So it's been a little over a month since that happened, and he no longer is with us, but he had a long life, 14 years, and we're glad
he's with us in memory.
Yeah, everything worked out for the best for him. We didn't want him to suffer, so
he was a good dog.
Yeah, that's all good.
Enjoyed all of our time with him.
Yeah, and we still have our two dogs. Our dogs are 9. I think both of our dogs are like 8 and 9 years old.
8 and 9.
Yeah. So, and the plan is that they will be going out with us once we leave.
Yes.
Yeah. So that does then bring us to the point of the house. And we actually spent quite a bit of money remodeling little things here and there. So we completely resodded our front yard. We replaced the back door of the house. We repainted
the front door.
We repainted the front door. We've replaced the porch lights on the front.
Replaced the trim around the front door.
Yeah, replaced the trim. We painted the garage.
Remodeled our half bath downstairs, the guest bath.
And then we sold some stuff. I don't know what, $250 worth of stuff.
Yeah. Countertop.
But other than that, you've been home the entire time. Yes. He's been paid from his company, and so that is a blessing. But tell everybody what that's been like.
Yeah, it's been wonderful to be home. Well, the first week and a half to 2 weeks, it was real wonderful because I had a lot of stuff to do. A lot of the honey-do list to catch up on. Mm-hmm. And but once I got it all caught up, then it's like, okay, now what do I do? And, income has been cut somewhat, so...
You've lost about a third of your income, but we're very thankful that you have a job.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But still, it means that you don't have the extra money in your paycheck that you normally would to go out and continue doing all kinds of projects around the house with.
Yeah, so and we're not paying off debt anymore.
I've kind of slowed down, and that has slowed down a little bit while all of this stuff is going on.
I'm getting my time.
But hopefully we'll get back to not the new normal, but a regular normal. And,
can you take that off?
Can I? I can.
Yeah. Well, so talk about what... one of the main things that has been part of our life all the time during truck driving, even as a family, was getting you home so you were home every day. So you kind of got your wish, right?
Yeah. Not exactly that way, but, I want to have a work that I go to and do, not just sit at home all day long. But although I have enjoyed this, and I am very grateful to God for the company that I work for,
the income
that they are able to provide me while I am at home, waiting for things to get started back up.
Yeah. If you're new watching our channel, we Brian and Michelle, we have one child. She's a teenager. She just finished 10th grade, and We were truck drivers prior to, we were team truck drivers up until 2014, but he is still a truck driver. I still have my CDL, but he is still a truck driver, and he hauls sand for oil wells out in Texas, or West Texas. And so he typically was gone for 6 weeks at a time, and for the last 5 years, it's been hard on our family in the sense that he hasn't been around because in order to make good money, he had to be gone. So this has been good for our family that he's here every single day. We've always been able, because of truck driving, we've been able to work together 24 hours a day and be up each other's noses.
And now you're working.
So I'm working now. I worked for UPS in the winter times as a seasonal driver. Boy, it's bright.
It is.
But now I started actually at the end of March, working at UPS, and I work now, 30 hours a week. But, and that's a blessing because that has been able to supplement the income that's missing. And so the whole channel is about us going out and RVing. We do have
and we're getting there.
We have a set date of September 1st, 2021, that's the day we're going to be mobile. And that means we have to have our house sold. We have to trade in our car for a Ford. He wants a Dodge. A Ford.
Dodge 3500 dually.
Ford F450 dually. And so all of that is still there, right? None of that has changed. Right. I guess one of the biggest changes from previous videos is we've talked about that we thought we were going to put our house up on the market this...
Excuse me. Sorry.
Now I got a cough.
I had a sneeze hit me.
The biggest change from previous videos is we were going to put our house up on the market this spring. That kind of changed when my mom's dog was deteriorating, and I didn't want my mom to be pressured into the house selling and the dog passing at the same time. So I told her back in, I guess, late February, Mom, let's go ahead and wait till something happens with him, and then we'll move forward. Well, then, by mid-March, everything hit, and we thought, no, there's no reason to even consider putting the house on the market. But we didn't really have a time frame. Well, then within the last 2 weeks, we have refinanced our house actually. And so our mortgage payment has dropped, which is a good thing. And that was one of the reasons I wanted to get out of the house quicker, was so that we could pay off more debt by having our living expenses be less. But that's all kind of working out now. So Mom's dog has passed. We refinanced the house. We probably will stay here at least a year. And what else? I will continue working.
To pay off the debt and
although this previous month right here, May, is the first month in 9 months that we did not decrease in debt. So, but that's pretty good for us because we were constantly increasing. And we still have paid off, I think, right around 25% of what our debt started at.
We're still a whole lot lower than where we were. So we're doing good.
I haven't done a financial summary in 3 months, but I'll put a link here to the last financial summary that we did. I think that was in February. I need to catch it up. And it'll probably end up being like a 10-minute video because it's short and to the point.
And anytime during the next year before we put the house on the market, if we have, or when we have the opportunity, we're going to get a fifth wheel.
We're still focused in on one specific fifth wheel, and that is a 2014 Evergreen Lifestyle Luxury RV. That's the name of it. It's a 2014. We've been watching them since January. The prices have fluctuated just a little bit, but we're gonna go for a used RV so that we can get a brand new pickup truck, because we feel that if we have a brand new pickup truck, there's going to be less financial output and we can keep moving. Right? And so RV wise, we're still focused on the same fifth wheel. We haven't changed that. I'll post a link right here to our first dream RV, but I mean, it cost $150,000. You know, you got to dream big in the beginning. Then you figure out what you can afford. And the biggest thing is we made the decision that we would get a very high quality used RV, do a little bit of remodeling if we needed to.
Yeah.
And get a brand new pickup truck.
We came to the conclusion to stay under 40 foot so that we have access to more places too.
Yes, and that changed things. Because originally we were all gung-ho about a toy hauler. All gung-ho about the
42,
longest and the
43,
biggest and the
44.
most expensive and all of that.
Yeah.
And I think as you go along, when you start to figure out what do you really want with what you're doing out there, you know, so I hope every family, some families do this like in a month, right? That was a good snap.
Well, yeah, it was. Good snap.
That was a good snap.
But, you know, if you want to buy the toy hauler with, you know, that's 48 foot from Lux, or one that's 44 from Grand Design or some other thing like that, go for it. You know, if you've got the means and whatever to go for it and it works into your plans, then do it.
Yeah. I mean, that was our original
Our plans have changed originally from what they originally were.
Yeah.
The more research that we do on this whole thing, we're finding out, you know, we want to get into more places and we want to do a little bit of, I don't really care to do boondocking, but...
yeah, he's going to do boondocking because we're going to have a composting toilet, we're going to have solar, and we're going to have lithium batteries. So he's going to do boondocking, he just doesn't know it yet.
I mean, if you want to do boondocking, let's just get a tent and put it in the van or the back of the pickup truck and go. We can boondock in a tent all you want to.
I'm not a camper, but I want to be in an RV so I can travel. But I'm not a camper. I need to have some kind of AC. Either that or we just live up north the whole time. So I think that we've kind of covered everything. Murphy, house, RV's the same.
Yeah. Still moving forward, but the progress is a little slower right now because of all the stuff that has been going on. And
I think for a lot of people, they either got pushed, whether it's RV or not, people either got pushed immediately into a new decision, or their lifestyle change got put on hold, or some people didn't. Nothing changed, right? You know. Except for the inconvenience of all of this.
The hardest thing for us, maybe we can talk about that, is keeping the dream alive.
Yeah, it is hard because on the 1st, June, today is May 26th, and I'll get this up today. So on June 1st, we will then have 15 months to go. And
did we start out with a year and a half or like 18 months?
No, we started with 2 years.
2 years when we originally made the decision. 2 years from now, we're going out and going RVing. Okay.
Yeah, so
now we're
almost done with
months.
9 months. And I believe that we've stayed focused.
Yeah.
But we haven't you've cleaned out the garage quite a bit, but we haven't gotten rid of big chunks of things because now we know we're going to stay in the house for another year. You don't want to give up a bunch of stuff. Oh, we did. We said last video that we did get new mattresses. Yes, and so that's exciting.
We got the RV size mattress, so it'll be able to go.
And we're pleased with it.
Go right into the RV. Yeah, it is. It's actually quite comfortable.
Yeah, the bed is. So, I mean, all of that. You know, I just wanted to catch you guys up. There's a bucket full of people that are watching our journey and paying attention to us and seeing the decisions, and we want to share with you guys the decisions that we are making because you know, maybe you've had a thought, or maybe, you know, hearing us mention something, it makes you think of something, you know. So I think that's the learn from others. And we haven't made any mistakes.
Maybe they have a thought for us.
Yeah, if you have any thoughts for us, comment below.
Be nice now.
So basically, we appreciate everybody that's been watching. If you are not a subscriber, please go ahead and hit subscribe. Because I'm working a part-time job now, the videos are not every single week, but that's because I'm exhausted. And I spend a lot of time in bed.
She's working now.
Yeah, I'm working now, and it's a hard physical job.
30 hours a week.
Yeah, so, but again, that's a blessing. It was originally meant to help pay our debt down faster, but right now it's supplementing our income and allowing us to still live a a decent life. So if you've been impacted at all by the whole change in our society, we pray for you because basically we couldn't do what we're doing without God. That's the way our family is. We couldn't do it.
Yeah.
We couldn't.
I think everybody's been affected by this stuff in some way, shape, or form.
So
either you can't shop at the stores you want to, or
yeah. Let me tell you, working at UPS, let me tell you, people are spending money because I've been there now 9 weeks, and it's been. They have said it's been exactly like Christmas holidays for 8 weeks. This is my 9th week. For 8 weeks solid, they have continually stayed busy. I mean, it's just there's not been a representation of people not having money. It's been a representation of people shopping from home, for sure.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah. So,
Keep the economy
but
going.
I think that's it, right?
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you all for joining us on this non-coffee car chat.
Yeah. We appreciate you guys, and I think that's it.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.